Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Anmol Kashyap of class 5th and today we are going to read unit 1 and the chapter name is Ice Cream Man. So let's recite the poem.
When summer's in the city and drinks a little heat, the ice cream man with little cart goes running down the street, goes running down the street. With his round umbrella, oh what a joyful sight, to see him fill the boats with puffs of cooling brown and white, of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or delicious to drink, from bottles full of frosty things, green, orange, white or pink, green, orange, white or pink. His cart might be of flowers and of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round as sweet as honeybees, as sweet as honeybees, as sweet as honeybees.
New words.
New words.
Blaze.
Blaze,
Bright flame or fire.
bright flame of fire,
Trundling.
trundling,
Moving on small broad wheels.
moving on small broad wheels,
Mounds.
mounds,
Heap.
heap,
Pile.
pile,
Frosty feast.
frosty fields,
Chill drink.
children,
Making a.
making a
Hazing.
hissing,
Bubbling sound.
bubbling sound,
Cluster.
cluster,
Gather around.
gather around,
Group of similar things.
group of similar things.
Reading is fun.
Reading is fun.
1.
One,
In which season is ice cream popular?
in which season is ice cream popular?
2.
Two,
Who feels joyful
who feels joyful
on seeing the ice cream man?
on seeing the ice cream man?
3.
Three,
Name the different flavor of ice cream
name the different flavors of ice cream
the ice cream man has in his cart.
the ice cream man has in his cart.
4.
Four,
What are the two things
what are the two things
that the ice cream man is selling?
that the ice cream man is selling?
5.
Five,
What is the ice cream cart
what is the ice cream cart
compared to in the poem?
compared to in the poem?
Let's write.
Let's write.
Having an ice cream
Having an ice cream
on a hot summer day
on a hot summer day
is exciting and enjoyable.
is exciting and enjoyable.
1.
One,
Write about some of the exciting
write about some of the exciting
and enjoyable things
and enjoyable things
that one can do
that one can do
in the winter season.
in the winter season.
2.
Two,
List as many summer activities as you can.
list as many summer activities as you can.
3.
Three,
Now group these activities
now group these activities
into indoor and outdoor activities.
into indoor and outdoor activities.
Say aloud.
Say aloud.
Circle the words
Circle the words
where you get a z sound.
where you get a sound.
1 is done for you.
One is done for you.
Honeybees.
Honeybees,
Prize.
prize,
Pride.
prize,
Maize.
maize,
Face.
face,
Rice.
rice,
Ride.
rice,
Blaze.
blaze,
Fizz.
fizz,
Lazy.
lazy,
Lacy.
lazy,
Busy.
busy,
Racy.
racy,
Rage.
race,
Rage.
race,
Race.
race,
Ace.
is,
Chase.
chase,
This.
this,
These.
these,
Frosty.
frosty.
Let's listen.
Let's listen.
1.
One,
Listen and tell the sounds
listen and tell the sounds
that this word in the poem produce.
that is what in the poem produce.
Card.
Card,
Drinks.
drinks.
Can you make the sounds?
Can you make these sounds?
2.
Two.
What are some of the different sounds
What are some of the different sounds
you hear when the ice cream man comes?
you hear when the ice cream man comes?
Find out and write a report.
Find out and write a report.
Here is a report on Uncle Lal's farm.
Here is a report on Uncle Lal's farm.
Father took me to visit
Father took me to visit
Uncle Lal's dairy farm.
Uncle Lal's dairy farm.
I saw all of Uncle Lal's cows.
I saw all of Uncle Lal's cows.
He has 50 cows.
He has 50 cows.
They eat grass in the big green farms.
They eat grass in the big green farms.
In the evening, the farmers
In the evening, the farmers
bring them to the barn
bring them to the barn
to be milked.
to be milked.
Uncle Lal sells his milk in the city.
Uncle Lal sells his milk in the city.
When writing a report,
When writing a report,
remember to do these things.
remember to do these things.
Think of a good title.
Think of a good title.
Write it correctly.
Write it correctly.
Keep to your subject.
Keep to your subject.
Tell things in the right order.
Tell things in the right order.
Make your paper look neat.
Make your paper look neat.
In group of 4,
In groups of 4,
write a report
write a report
on different brands of ice cream
on different brands of ice cream
available in your area.
available in your area.
You may use the following clues.
You may use the following clues.
Start with a short introduction
Start with a short introduction
which contains the topic.
which contains the topic.
Then list the ice cream brands
Then list the ice cream brands
available in your area.
available in your area.
Next,
Next,
say which are the common flavors of ice cream
say which are the common flavors of ice cream
in each of the brands.
and each of the brands.
Under each brand,
Under each brand,
find out which flavors
find out which flavors
are being sold the most.
are being sold the most.
Also find out their prices.
Also find out their prices.
Finally,
Finally,
write which do you think
write which do you think
is the most popular ice cream.
is the most popular ice cream.
World building.
Word building.
Color the boxes
Color the boxes
that have rhyming words.
that have rhyming words.
City,
City,
card,
card,
heat,
heat,
street,
street,
blows,
blows,
goes,
goes,
do,
do,
go,
go,
hard,
hard,
yard,
yard,
ball,
ball,
doll,
doll,
cow,
cow,
so,
so,
label,
label,
table,
table,
sky,
sky,
my,
mind,
play,
play,
obey,
obey,
race,
race,
face,
face,
right,
right,
night.
night.
2.
2.
What do the following words
What do the following words
describe in the poem?
describe in the poem?
Joyful,
Joyful,
little,
little,
round.
round.
What are the describing words
What are the describing words
used in the poem for the following?
used in the poem for the following?
Mounds,
Mounds,
flavor,
flavor,
cluster,
cluster,
fun time.
fun time.
1.
1.
Color the boxes
Color the boxes
with the colors of the flavors
with the colors of the flavors
mentioned in each.
mentioned in each.
Chocolate,
Chocolate,
vanilla,
vanilla,
orange,
orange,
black currant,
blackcurrant,
strawberry,
strawberry,
raspberry,
raspberry,
butterscotch,
butterscotch,
pista.
pistas.
2.
2.
Draw and color your dream ice cream.
Draw and color your dream ice cream.
Describe it using interesting describing words.
Describe it using interesting describing words.
The colors,
The colors,
the flavors,
the flavors,
the size,
the size,
how it looks,
how it looks,
taste,
taste,
feels, etc.
feels, etc.
3.
3.
Have you ever eaten kulfi,
Have you ever eaten kulfi?
the ice cream from North India?
The ice cream from North India.
The following sentences describe
The following sentences describe
how it is served,
how it is served,
but they are not in the correct order.
but they are not in the correct order.
Write the correct numbers
Write the correct numbers
before each sentence.
before each sentence.
He scoops out the kulfi on a plate.
He scoops out the kulfi on a plate.
Then he pours some sweet syrup over it
Then he pours some sweet syrup over it
and serves it.
and serves it.
The kulfi wala takes the kulfi mound
The kulfi wala takes the kulfi mound
out of the pitcher.
out of the pitcher.
He arranged some faluda around it.
He arranged some faluda